You know we do it right now. What I'm going to deal with now, I'm going to protect the lime tree. So stay tuned, my people, and listen to good music as we rock and roll in the Jamaica Good Life. Planting. Yeah, man. Big up for yourself. Time for the dance now. Come on, man.
And the feelings laid
Jamaica this. That's how we live. When we're in the garden.
I keep working my way back.
Come on, play that song right there.
But I'm a Jamaican boy, you born and raised. Nowadays I'm lost between two shores. And it ain't fine, but it ain't home. You got home, but it ain't mine
No more. Sing it, big man. Sing it, people.
And no one heard it all, not even the chance.
Big sound system.
I am not crying. I am straight out.
Sound system so big.
And I have lost and I can't even say why. Leaving me lonely still. Did you read about a frog who dreamed of being a king?
If you don't want to pull it up, you don't say pull up.
And they all became one.
Yeah.
Except for the name, a few other chains. You talk about me.
Where the girl there?
The story is the same one.
Bye.
But I've got this emptiness deep inside, and it won't let me go.
Sing it, boy. Come on.
And I'm a man who don't like to swear, but I hate the sound of being alone.
Good quiet.
I am myself.
Pick up the angel.
To no one there.
I'm a god doctor. Bronx, New York.
And no one heard at all, not even the chance.
Yeah, put the sock on my foot.
I am my cry.
Big up to Joanne.
I am said
We're ready.
Then I am lost and I can't even say why. I am myself. To no one
Right to the
there.
fullest. Man, cars riding the girls and
And
candy.
no one heard at all, not even the
Get the gloves, keep the hands soft for the ladies. Come on.
I am my pride. I am said when I am lost and I can't even say why.
Pull up! And I must make a comment for the song on the line.
Leaving me
So next time I play it myself, pull it up. Pull it up, cause so we're gonna live from now on. Play it, DJ Randy. Gallon Candy. Big up to Sunday.
My girl bougie, but she's so nice. Love her, she no fussy, she just living her life. She tell me that she wants to go to country tonight. She wants to see where I'm from, she wants to go for a ride. The next day we go a shop, we had a food and then we see the gonna easy. Till she hear the music and fling her shoulder. To how she wanna who that thinks that she a rave. Oh, when you are far with me, a good time is guaranteed. We love your vibes and get tidy. Tonight we are gonna touch a party. Oh, when you are far with me, a good time is guaranteed. we are going to touch a party.
Hey.
From me get your baby, meet the race and like the number 10. You raise the bar so I right now make you see none of them. No, we do my future bright so now I can't look back again. Some of them are 5 and 6, but girl you a 10 out of 10. You're real, I'ma love it, yeah, you not pretend. You are set the trend, baby, you are a gem. The love for me I said, I hope that you can comprehend. In a deal with only fans, we coming. Let's go to OG, oh what a vibe. My fans will be somewhere you would like. Go to 70, Treasure Beach, so the Pelican Bar. Then we go to Negro, then to Mobile, yeah. Portland for a couple days. Kingston City Life at the party. It's a Wednesday, so wedding ready. When you are par with me, a good time is guaranteed. Fill up your vibes and get tired. Tonight we are going to the party. Come with me, pretty baby. Oh, yeah. Come with me, my love, to the sea of love. I want to tell you,
Saturday morning in Jamaica right now. Living life to the fullest.
Do you remember
Come on.
the time we met? That's the day I know I won't forget. I want to tell you how much I love you. Come with me to the sea of love.
Come on.
You remember the time we met? That's the day I know I won't forget. I want to tell you how much I love you. Oh, I love you, pretty baby. Oh yeah, love you from my heart. Love you from the start. Hey, my heart is crying. My heart is beating now. I can't breathe. Come with me. You remember the time we met? That's the day I know I won't forget. I want to tell you
People might say,
how much I love you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh. How much I love you, baby. How much I care for you. Hey, you got me crying for your love.
yes, people, this is Jamaica Good Life right now. In the garden, Saturday morning, this is how we live in Jamaica. In the good life.
I can't know again. Every time I think of saying goodbye,
Big woman, say,
everything inside me says it's alright.
big up to Johnny X.
So I can,
How
no
guys
I can,
food out of
no
this.
I can.
How kind of
Yes, you've been with me right through the rough, and you never said I had enough. So I can't, no, I can't, no, I can't. Hey, honey, I'd like to repay you for damages done. I know I won't be able to repair it all, 'cause I lost count. And with all the time you've been hurting, you're still so fine, and it's blowing my mind. I know I should back and walk away and leave you nothing to remind, but I can't. Oh, I can't. No, I can't. No, honey, no. Just wish I was man enough to come out and say it to you. You know? Like to repay you for damages done. I know I won't be able to repair it all, 'cause I lost count. And with all the time I see you and it's blowing my mind. I should pack my things and walk away and leave you nothing to remind, but I can't. No, I can't. No, I can't. Every time I think of saying goodbye, everything inside me says it's a lie. So I can't. No, I can't. No, I can't. Hey, baby, 'cause you've been with me right through the rough, and you never said I had enough. So I can't. No, I can't. No, I can't. I try, but I can't. Try no matter how hard I try. I can't. I know I will never. I'm glad to leave you, baby. When you so fine, everything I do.
Am I really hearing your lungs? Just like I dreamed it would be. I feel like we're frozen in time. You're the only one I could see. Hey, I've looked all my life for you. Now you're here. Hey, I've spent all my life with you.
know, so we're gonna put this on the little one over there. So. This will get bigger. So we're growing a no time. So we're gonna save the one here for the little tree. The one here bigger, so we need to get some big. Take this, and we're gonna move it to the small here over there. Keep listening to the music and so forward.
I realize I love you still. Brothers getting jailed, some sniffing cocaine, some getting high, linking sense of meaning high, some get high, jamming sense immediate pain, then go west to watch sunset at the Rex Cafe. But from a little cottage in the green, I wrote these lines to you. From a little cottage in the green, I realize I love you still. I love you, baby. Oh yeah, yeah. Brothers getting jailed, some hooked and cocaine, some getting high, licking on the cotton high, some get high, jamming sense immediate pain, then go west to watch sunset at the Rex Cafe. But from a little cottage in the green, I wrote these lines to you. From a little cottage in the green, I realize I love you still. Oh, from a little cottage. and I can't break through. There's no talking to you. It's so sad that you're leaving. It takes time to believe it. But after all is said and done, you'll be my only one. Oh, do you believe in life after love?
Jamaica Good Life.
I can feel something inside me.
One day.
Really don't think it's wrong enough now. Do you believe in life after love? I can feel something inside me say, really don't think it's wrong enough now. Don't know what am I supposed to do. Sit around and wait.
Susan, food there.
Again, through that.
Time for cook. Miss Pachter. Why? This is a good life. I'm gonna tell us how to live it. We do everything already. Now it's time for gardening and plant the tree then. Let's see how I say, Jamaica no good life. When I live with people, the music, the lime tree, the freedom. Yeah, we're doing it, people. We're in Jamaica. We're living in Jamaica. Hey, big up to Thurston. My daughter Anais.
I can feel something inside me say, really don't think it's wrong enough now. Do you believe? You keep pushing me aside and I can't break through. It's so sad that you leave it. It takes time to believe it. But after all is said and done, you're gonna be my
I believe in Jamaica Good Life.
I can feel something inside me say, really don't think it's strong enough now. You believe in life after life.
People that joke at the when they run left Jamaica for Babylon and the mud. Just go out in the business and take on the time. Everything be alright.
Now clap your hands
Don't
and
have to
stamp
worry
your
about
feet.
nothing.
This
Just throw around the chicken and no mutton. Never give up on a country. Just it. Love the girls in the night too. Can't bounce in the car on the night too.
And it's not that I found somebody to take the place of you, but it's just the feel within me.
choose the pop show. Yo! Babylon, where you there, man? Watch where you step on, man. This is our weapon. Oh! No anchoring, we come with the conquering.
And you have before.
Big up to Sunday.
But you know,
Where the girl
it's
is
gonna
standing.
take
One
everything.
car running on the microphone. Welcome one, Jamaican. Spit it from the door. Big up one called Tyrone.
See your arms that you got around me.
We'll lose the car while choose the pop show.
Let me go someday. So I'd rather to live than holding on, pushing me away. So I'm leaving. This time I'm playing it smart. I'm gonna walk away from love
Come on.
before love breaks my heart.
Protect the line tree then. Yes, sir. Protect the line tree then. Shazza! Don't put too much. Miss Price, your heart. After 50 years old, this is what we do. Our dreams finally come true. Taking care of the trees and living this beautiful life. Yes, yes, yes. Big up to Susan Cutie. One called Danny. Anna East. Violetta Dana. And Darren. To all the children then. Yeah. Lose the car and choose the pop chop. Yeah, man, a long time. We're up on the mic, you know. Enough talents whenever discover too. Because I don't need to know everything about the king. No, we just take our time on grooving and grooving. Music! Real reggae music, no foolishness. Yeah! Manchester!
I'm a thick-skinned whiskey drinking, foul mouth and critical thinking, hitting on a soul mission. Nothing can mess with my head.
Yeah!
Not today, Trey. And I'm an anachronistic, verbally pugilistic, mental thug and crimson lipstick, sucking on a biscuit. Nothing
If you want this mix, you gotta be a VIP member. You could ask me how. We lose the cow and choose the pop show.
Tomorrow don't be looking no better for you. I won't be letting you under my skin no matter what you do. It's a charm, such a beautiful style, but I see you coming from a mile. You can't steal my sunshine, baby. I make my own appeal. You can't weigh me down, child. You know the clouds and the wind got me.
Here does them burn up now.
I'm standing on the shoulders of my giant dreams. And
Giants!
I live just to show you what defiant means.
Defiant!
Never give up, never back down. I'm here completely.
Boy!
You can't beat me, so join me in the sunlight.
Pull up that one. Pull up.
We got to keep up and
Me say pull up. All the speaker drop up. Pull up. Me say pull up. Pull up. Pull up. We have to pull up that one there. We have to pull up that one there. With it. With it. With it for it. Pull up that one there. Pull up. We say no. 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 Pull on. Division. Start together as one. You can't steal my soul. Shaka solo. What's that? Can't wait without haters. What's up for the haters then? Pull it up. Look up, pull it up. Pull it up. Pull it up. Make we pull it up. Not today. Not today. Pull up. Have to pull it up. It's a must in the Almighty we trust. Pull it up.
I'm a thick-skinned whiskey drinking, farm up and critical drinking, it's all in solution. Nothing can mess with my spirit. Not today.
Look up Jamaican woman, them, the one that were free.
And I'm an anachronistic, stubbornly pugilistic, mental bugging pills and sucking all of this. Yeah, nothing can mess with my spirit.
We don't care about the views and subscription.
Not today.
We're up on a mission.
Guess what? Tomorrow don't be looking no better for you. I won't be letting you under my skin no matter what you do.
Hey!
Forget a charm, such a beautiful style. But I still coming from a mile. You can't steal my sunshine.
Can't steal the sunshine when run there shine. You can't do that.
You can't weigh me down, down. You know the clouds and the wind got me. And I'm standing on the shoulders of my giant dreams.
Giant dreams.
Just to show you what defiance is.
Defiance.
And I never give up, never back down. I'm
Never give up, never back down.
You can't beat me.
You can't stop it. Can't stop reggae music. You can't stop good music, people. With foolishness. You can't stop Jamaica. You can't stop it. Can't stop it. They got mad.
I know it don't take no genius to see the cold water.
Some of them got mad. Spoil the plan. Stop playing to the oppressor hand. Don't create division. Stand together as one. Come on.
You can't steal my soul.
You can't steal my soul. African. Put.
You can't weigh me down, down, baby. Oh, yeah, the cloud got me. I see you, you're trying and you're trying and you're trying.
Babylon now go away. Our people be coming home soon.
Not today, Jed. For your chick. Not today, Jed.
I've been thinking about the years we've been together.
Yeah.
And trust me,
Nice.
I wrote a song for you. And only you. Check it out. Oh, thinking about the younger years.
Reggae music.
There was only you and me. We were young and wild and free. No, nothing can take you away from me. You've been down that road before.
No way.
That's over now. You keep me coming back for more.
Good music.
Yeah, yes, baby, you're all that I want. When you're lying there in my arms, I find it hard to believe we're in heaven. Love is all that I need, and I found it there in your heart. Isn't too hard to see we're in heaven. Once in a life you will find someone
Yeah.
who will change your world around, pick you up when you feel it down. And no, nothing can change what you mean to me. There's a lot that I could say, just hold me now. 'Cause I'm a lover when I like the way. Yeah, you're all that I want. When you're lying there in my arms, I find it hard to believe that day you went away. Yes, I can't live without you. You're always on my mind. You're always on my mind. You're always on my mind. Girl, you're on my mind. I gave you all of me, and now you're not here with me. Nothing will ever change. My love for you remains the same. I can't wait to see you again. You're always on my mind. You're always on my mind. You're always on my mind. Girl, you're on my mind. If I don't see you today, I hope I see you tomorrow. Girl, I gotta let you know how I feel. This love is real, and I don't wanna fool myself. No, it belongs to you and no one else. You're always on my mind. 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 Girl, you're on my
Now let me put this one.
Do you ever think about me? Do you ever cry yourself to sleep in the middle of the night when you're away? Are you calling out for me? Do you ever reminisce? I can't believe I'm acting like this. Now it's crazy. How I still can feel your kiss. It's been 6 months, 8 days, 12 hours since you went away. Yeah. I miss you so much and I don't know what to say. I should be over you, should know better, but it's just not the case. 6 months, 8 days, 12 hours since you went away. Do you ever ask about me? Do your friends tell you what to do? And every time the phone rings, do you wish it was me calling you? Do you still feel the same? On a slide without no flame. I miss you, I miss you. Is everything okay? It's been better, but it's just not the case. It's been 6 months, 8 days, 12 hours since you went away.
People, Jamaica Good Life. Music, can't refuse it. We chose it. Don't lose it, people. Not leave Babylon quick enough. Babylon is falling. Jamaica is calling. Arm yourself and get ready. It's war coming. Can't give this up. You can't give this up, people. I have to fight for this now. Welcome to Jamaica. I'll be your captain. I'll be your captain today and forever. protects you from the butterflies, the larvae. This is our lime tree, people. We have to protect the trees them, protect the children them from harm. Bad world out there. Can't make them shit fun with tree. You see me? See that? Put the cover upon this. Connect another bottle for the dripping system. That's how you protect your plants. The butterfly comes, do their dance. They don't go in here. They just don't know the tree's there. Because if the butterfly pitches and lays the eggs on the lime tree, that is it. One life, you know. I'm mixed with soulful people and foolishness. No crime. We don't have time to spend the time at jail. We don't like courthouse and we don't like wasting time and life. So we don't mix with the wrong people. Straight. Everything we do is straight. Nothing lean. Nothing unclean. Smoke herbs in moderation, don't use no Visine. So we must always welcome come in to Jamaica Good Life garden party. Girl, where you beginning? Solid. Solid. Only wanna love you, girl. Come on. Yeah.
Girl, you know how much I care.
Yo.
It's not the way I planned it. No, 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 no. If you could only know my feelings, you would know how much I do believe. If you were with me now. By my side. When it's
advance, 'cause my feelings are sincere. Girl, if you ever know the plans I have for you, and all the little things we're gonna do, take a listen to the words I say to you, baby. Tell me your name, give me your number, you give me your vibe, I wanna be your lover. Tell me the time, I'll be right over, Lord. You and me together. Tell me your name, give me your number, you give me your vibe, I wanna be your lover. around, there are things to remind me. When I see you smile, it makes my heart fill with joy. I can still recall the nights we spent together. What are you going through, girl? Ooh, baby, I'm missing you. Tell me why the road turns, yeah. Ooh, baby, I'm missing you. Tell me why the road turns. Baby, I'm missing you.
Yeah. Come on. Say it. Come on, girl. Tell me something more.
He may be gone from my side for a while, but I'm not cheating.
Say it again.
I'm waiting
You gonna wait?
on my baby.
You better wait.
No matter what I'm trying, no other guy can give me no better loving. It's giving me happiness, yes. Treats me like a princess, yes. Some I couldn't give him no less, yes. Then the good, better, and the best, yes. Sometimes I put him to the test, yes. Then him not in a pain, I no mess, yes. When he's with me, him not see the rest, yes. The man that deserve my respect, yes. That's why I'm waiting on my baby.
Better wait, girl.
He may be gone from my side for a while, but I'm not cheating.
No cheating.
I'm waiting
For years.
on my baby.
Without tears.
No matter them, I try, no other guy can give me no
Big woman, too.
loving. Yeah, even when he's gone for too long.
I bet you never know say I surround the do the choppings.
Nobody was some
Hey, you never know. And everything for sure now. Little by little.
so me no one,
Not just radical now.
'cause I can never
Just make sure it's said. I don't trap too much plays, you know what I'm saying? I don't know that.
cause I'm not understanding because I'm waiting on my baby. Maybe I'm gonna start for a while, but I'm not cheating.
No cheating, my girl. No bun, that no bun. It's a bun, no fun. No bun, no fun. No bun, no fun. Hey, 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 no cheating. Sweet, sweetness. Heartbeat, triple up. Hey, hold on, girl. Don't make them beg you for nothing.
All the time I'm waiting
Keep waiting, girl.
on my baby. He may be gone from my side for a while, but I'm not cheating.
No cheating, girl.
No, I'm waiting
Come on.
on my baby.
DJ Randy,
No matter them, I try, no
Yeah,
other
and
guy can give me
Candy.
no better
big
love.
up to Sunday.
Oh,
Oh,
oh, oh, oh, oh. I'm waiting on my
I'm my
baby.
girlfriend.
He may be gone from my side for a while, but I'm not cheating. No, I'm waiting on my baby.
Yo, yo, yo.
No matter them, I try, no other guy can give me no better love.
JamaicaHealthBox.com and some lose the weight. This is some else, you know. We're getting there, getting older, so we have to be aware. We have to take care of ourselves. Yeah, only thing is riches is your health. me. I saw to protect when the trees them. And cut off the top of the buckle. Rain fall in there, so. Yeah, put a sponge in there, so. So no butterfly can shit on your thing. The butterfly is beautiful, but them dangerous with certain things, you see me? And everything pretty means it's good, you see me? So when you want to protect your trees, them you have to know, say, them things that are normal around the world, you have to protect your things from people and insects. Listen now, people. Listen. Listen now. Yo, your love is my love. It's your love. Come on. Come on. Your love is my love. And my love is your love. It will take an eternity to break us. Okay, come on, girl.
will take an eternity to break us. It will take all the stars just to hold us. If I should die, just bury me. Don't cry, 'cause on earth we was meant to stay. And no matter what the people say, I've been waiting for you after the judgment day. Your love is my love, and my love is your love. It will take an eternity to break us. It will take all the stars just to hold us. Your love is my love, and my love is your love. It will take an eternity to break us.
Damn, girl. There's nothing in this world I wouldn't do for you. Yeah. Maybe, baby girl, I could just take you to Bahamas, or stay here in Jamaica where we could sit and watch some drama. Or maybe take you to my place down there in Ghana. Take you to some islands if you wanna. Or maybe I could take you home and let you meet my mama. Let you meet some of my tuggies on the corner. Or take you out to buy your mints to keep you warmer. Buy your jewelries at Jewelorama. Tell me what you wanna, tell me what you really wanna. Do you wanna go to Arabia just to meet the snake charmer? Or do you wanna meet Carlos Santana to listen to sweet sounds of his guitar? Crazy love, crazy love.
But she don't know.
Maybe we could go someplace to sit and watch the stars, or even ask an astronaut if he could take us up to Mars. Or maybe we could do some champagne sipping by the bars, or even take a stroll together arms in arms. The invitation from Carlos, do you wanna accept and hurry up and get dressed because we are his special guests? Or do you wanna stay here and do what we do best? Stay at home and let us have some. You mean so much to me, baby. You girl I love, and I'll be there for you, to love and care for you, only for you. Maybe, baby girl, I could just take you to Bahamas, or stay in Jamaica where we could sit and watch some drama. Or maybe take you to my place down there in Ghana. Take you to some islands if you wanna. Or maybe I could take you home and let you meet me. Let you meet some of my tuggies on the corner. Or take you out to buy your mints to keep you warmer. Buy your jewelries at Jewelorama. Tell me what you wanna, tell me what you really wanna. Do you wanna go to Arabia just to meet the snake charmer? Or do you wanna meet Carlos Santana to listen to sweet sounds of his guitar? Maybe we could go someplace to sit and watch the stars, or even ask an astronaut if he could take us up to Mars. Or maybe we could do some champagne sipping by the bars, or even take a stroll together in the park. The invitation from Carlos, do you want to accept? Then hurry up and get dressed because we are a special guest. Or do you want to stay here and do what we do best? Stay at home and let us have some.
Yeah, peace and love and happiness. Carthagena Grill.
Wave your Western Grill. This man sit calling for your love. Gee, we miss you. All my lips want to kiss you. Call you on the phone. To my surprise, it's word I phone. From a little cottage in the grill.
Oh, yes.
I wrote these lines to you. Oh, baby. From a little cottage in the grill. I realize I love you still.
All this work for a lime tree, right? Love limes. Tree will protect already. Apple tree, pear tree will go be big and nice. And the lime tree them will have to protect them. Boy.
Hey baby, love coming at you. Still gotta be prepared.
Yeah. Rastafari, Selassie.
You found love is like a brand new toy. Fills you up,
Fills you up.
wanna burst with joy.
Come on now.
When you're in love, it's a wonderful thing. Your mind's at rest. You wanna try your best. Prepare a place in your heart. That's where it all starts.
Yeah. This is Jamaica Good Life.
How do you feel when your baby is gone? How do you sleep with no one to keep you warm?
Come on.
You toss and turn, cry all night. Such a feeling, Lord, it gives an awful fright. I made a mistake when I grieved her heart. She couldn't stand it, she decided to part. I've got a fun girl and a fire child. I want no one else, she's just my side. Fire chasing. How do you feel when your baby is gone? How do you sleep? No one to keep you warm. I know it ain't easy, baby. Waking up with different things. I know sometimes it makes you wonder. I just wanna let you know I look into
Big show.
With the 40 feet,
Shut.
Tom, the Piper's son, he was there with me. I rode to a valley with the princess by my side.
Big tune.
The Duke and the Duchess was there to greet me with a smile. Alice was there in a wonderland, staring far away. The three blind mice was there with me to tell the teddy bears the tale. So the teddy bears came smiling there with a big smile. The little Bo Peep has lost her sheep and don't know where to find them. The dream last night was about Alibaba with the 40 thieves. Tom, the Piper's son, he was there with me. There's a whole lot more inside of me. My work has just begun. You know me through the years and thought you'd seen the best of me. But now I'm back home. I'm expectancy. Here I come again, harder than before.
Boy.
Lyrics so prolific, it I touch them to the core.
Come on.
Here I come again, tougher than before.
Yeah.
Tougher originality than Junior have his score. Here I come again, rougher than before. Watch it make me step in and no kick out the door. Here I come again, harder than before. Open up your promises, we coming for sure.
A long, long time me I shot it. From the 80s to the 90s until now. Me hear the critics, them my artists, they still got it. How much it lay and make me show them how it go. If our original style, and that them really want. Right to know what that them are go get. And if them things say me done, tell them me just have come. Tell them them not hear nothing yet. Kill them with original songs. Don't be so beat. Kill them with vocals so sweet. Kill them with original songs. I'm back on the street. Everybody saying what I hear. Kill them with original songs. Feel like a poet, writing about my life and song.
Who knows? Can somebody teach it for your chest?
Big show.
Give me one more chance.
Yay. Jamaica Good Life.
Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Hey.
Get the youth of the Reggae now. Feel like we salute and we stepping out. Baby rock a revolute when you check it out. The truth reality out, yeah.
One day better must come. Say we have to make a way, cheddar must run, yeah. Politicians say we better bust gun. Figure make the blood run, tell them get accustomed to it. One day better must come. Say we have to make a way, cheddar must run, yeah. Politicians say we better bust gun. Figure make the blood run, tell them get accustomed to it.
Them said them a go run through it. Dead body drop a gun when them done do it. Bust it, them a bust it, no come push. I just bully them and bump you with and conk you with. Politician them not give a damn. First thing on them Christmas list oh them coulda be so wrong. Now it's hopelessly grotesque. It's just a part of the process. Like all the youth them smoke cess. Just to rise up high above the lies of the high society. Some of them a get caught and them end up giving Christ a try. I try to say that him die for I. While they get the youth a die for fly. Upon the side is unconstructive blood when poor from my pants and short rich. My country politicians for run this, but to better half I beg the boss man for conduct this. One day better must come.
Yo, too much fire for them people. Come on, see that? You see what I want? Pyramid build, water system set up. Another pyramid built over there, so protecting the tangerine tree. Africa will say another pyramid over there, so spirit arise. Town aggressively, positively.
Under the pressure can't cope, who knows it feels it. He's more stressed with a potent bone, it heal me. Don't make them use it like no part. You play the game and you'll get caught. In a the maze and lose your path.
And when it's straight, I oof a fall. One day better must come. So we have to make a way, cheddar must run, yeah. Politicians say we better bust gun. Figure make the blood run, tell them get accustomed to it. One day better must come. So we have to make a way, cheddar must run, yeah. Politicians say we better bust gun. Figure make the blood run, tell them get accustomed to it.
Forgive me if this verse offend you.
Food for thought, we are served the menu.
Get a good start, them a work for you.
Lock off the dance and we are work the venue.
Then you go lock up a youth for your star.
Revolution time, a truth we attack.
We take it to the ghetto where the Uzi a spark.
Street side college, them a shoot in a class.
Them a shoot for your clocks again.
And a break the law, you wear a suit like Gargamel.
Know the woman, them a ball as well.
Even father I'm gone, soon as the belly starts to swell.
But the better days soon be here. Come watch mama bang and then the year.
Make sure say the food for the youth prepared. When the Gideon start, tell Babylon to beware. One day better must come. So we have to make a way, cheddar must run, yeah. Politicians say we better bust gun. Figure make the blood run, tell them get accustomed to it. One day better must come. So we have to make a way, cheddar must run, yeah. Politicians say we better bust gun. Figure make the blood run, tell them get accustomed to it. Get the youth up and make it out. Still have to we salute and we stepping out. Baby rock a revolute when you check it out. The truth we are let it out, yeah. Get the youth up and make it out. Still have to we salute and we stepping out. Baby rock a revolute when you check it out. The truth we are let it out, yeah.
Butterfly should let go them eggs. Can't touch a tree. The sponge filter with the water, you know.
Some not kill nobody for them decision. No, I just the knowledge when me seek and find. Let me down no up in a religion. United we stand on the body of the fall. But I'm always on the division. Yeah, we confront them peacefully. But here they go again with an addition. I got hope in Jesus, like any other.
You can't go through it but water, you see.
Pictures of one go freely. Some word no mean nothing, but when I talk you hear me. Say you no fear no man, but my convince say you fear me. I mean nothing to you, you mean nothing to me.
Water.
To leave me out there, just let me young boy. We see say them about weed, we're in the grass. So we weed them out, yes we pop them out of the land. One thing, twice shy, experience never lie. No go through, I'm go through, still me day up on a line.
People. Winning team.
So we couldn't even cry that house in Jesus, like any other.
Yeah.
I got a line to leave,
I would direct him down.
boys are already just allow me to live.
Yeah.
Allow me to live. Just allow me to live.
Yeah. So you test them out and okay. So what are we gonna do now? I'll take a longer sponge and drop it straight down right on top of it. See that? Test him out. Yeah. You can get some cards and take. So when the rain fall and the neighbors come water it, and just put pipe water in it, and then take him time throughout the day, sprinkle upon the tree. See, tree protected now. Dripping system just run beside the tree. Have the automatic turn on the dripping system for all the trees there. Get a split and split the hose, then one come over here. One go straight down there. So run it from here so to this side. From over there so go straight over there so. One stop. Two stop. Three stop. And touch the coconut tree them too. Faster than girl.
I never have to worry as long as you're right here by my side. Every little thing's gonna be alright. You bring me so much
Set up some card
when I look into
and then it goes straight on the tree.
you make me come
Alright, we set up a tube with sponge in it, go straight to the tree road. So many different ways. Watch this now. We no play. All night, all day. Run this side. Playing up people. So we still know.
Have to believe
in ourselves.
Believe in ourselves. Gravity trick in him speeches. Say without self-confidence, youth is twice defeated. Believe me, Rastafari. Now we upon nobody for tell me some great. Now we upon nobody for open up your gate. Have to believe in myself. Have to believe in myself. Now we upon nobody for give me motivation. May have to make it out this sticky situation. Have to believe in
ourselves.
Have to believe in myself. All when them a doubt me that coulda never face I. No, I know some me mother raise I. Self-sufficient might as well that she name I. So me aim my limit is the sky. Work me put in that could never be undone. Any task when me get me wrap it up like condom. All when the burden when me be away 1 ton. Me have to carry the load because me nah no option. Now wait for nobody for tell me some great. Now wait for nobody for open up your gate. Have to believe in myself. Have to believe in myself. Now wait for nobody for give my motivation. Me I go make it out this sticky situation. Have to believe in myself. Have to believe in
in myself. Now watch what them a do, me have my own a mission. Now wait upon a soul, me alone and me done. From here the name Kabaka, you know say man a king in the earth. Me know my worth as a proud African. And Rastafari lead me. For know myself and in a school them never teach me. For grow my wealth and this a journey never easy. Still me show my strength. So even though my slim, I lift the weight over the bench. Now wait upon nobody for tell me say I'm great. Now wait upon nobody for open up your gates. How for believe in
myself, people.
How for believe in
myself.
myself. Now wait upon nobody for give me motivation. Me I'm gonna make it out the sticky situation. How for believe in myself. How for believe in myself. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Rastafari alone. Give thanks and praises. And when the pressures of life circle round I and I, and them want to go round I and I, still I see I crown I and I, so them can't confound I and I. Now wait for nobody for tell me say I'm great. Now wait for nobody for open up your gate. How to believe in myself.
Believe in yourself, people. You need to visit Africa. You can't be great if you're not in Africa. No way. Africa, reprogram the system. Niceness.
Hey girl, long time don't see. Do you have a little time to spend it with me? I wanna know what's been going on in your life. Talk to me, baby. Yeah. Your hair, the perfume you wear, brings back memories of you and me.
Come on, not too much.
You look so fine. You blow my mind.
Come on, dance girl. Listen up.
Rock with me tonight.
Baby, rock it, baby, rock it.
Yeah. Wanna tell you, rock with me tonight for old times.
Yo, rock it, baby, rock it, don't stop it. Yo, music. Let's try this one. In love. Sandwiches. Angles. Never been in love like this before. Come on now, girl. Pour me some of the love. What a difference.
True love made in my life.
This must be true love. Feels so good.
So right.
Feels so right. Straight up all night. Feels so right, baby girl. Your man don't love you right. You know that's why I play music for you. Come check around there, Jamaica. That's for your man. I waste man that. Let's go to the bush. Pick some gooseberries. I'm gonna try this one now. I'm gonna roots. Whoever do know. We're gonna rub some rub around this.
You've got to do this new dance. Hope that you're ready.
Find the path.
You've got to do
Have
it
to try
just
something.
like Mr. Cruz said. Don't you know, girl? Shake it up, rock your body line, move your shoulders. Everything is fine. We're cruising. Tell you, you're here. and me. Ooh, you look so fine. You blow my mind all over again. Rock with me tonight for old time's sake. Sitting in the park, waiting for you. Sitting in the park, waiting for you. I've seen a lot of faces right around the world.
Come on, come on.
But none has captivated me this way like yours. To me, you're more than any supermodel from a magazine.
From a magazine, girl.
Just like a carousel, you keep on appearing in my dream.
Right in the dream.
'Cause you are the lone face in my head, in my head. Yes, you are always in my head, in my head. 'Cause you got your own space in my head, in my head. 'Cause you are the lone face in my head.
All this trouble, right? Trust me. Be worth it.
Oftentimes you are
Because you are.
for conversation.
This right, Jessa.
When people see me talking to myself, they call me crazy.
It's worth it. Because you are.
Only human. We can be focused for a minute.
Because
Next thing I'm all in disarray.
hydrate to grow fast. And you can put some real nutrients in this. And it's forever protected until it grow big. So you can leave the city and know say them not eat off the tree, but it's easy for water once we get the whole system together, you know? So it's worth it. We love it.
In my mind, I want to hear nothing else. Taking over my memory. It's a mess. Where does this timeline take me?
The dripping is good from here. The dripping system slow. That's how we make the big one over there, so we're showing you.
You got me intoxicated in my head. Yes, you are always in my head.
All right now.
Yes, you got your own space in my head, in my head. 'Cause you are the lone face in my head, in my head. Yeah, 'cause you are the lone face in my head, in my head.
Don't give up.
Yes, you are always in my head, in my head.
More than one way.
You got your own space in my head, in my head. 'Cause you are the lone face in my head, in my head.
We're gonna put 2 of them on it. Enough water for the system. No joke. Pure smoke, no joke.
Tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me why. Tell me how. Baby, tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me.
Watch this, see this?
Tell me why.
Anything dripping, you run on the tube straight to the ground. Watch.
Give it all to him when you know that I love you, really love you, no one above you. How could you give your heart to be torn apart by him? Me no read that, me no read that, me no read that, no. But I am still willing to give you all of me. My heart is yours if you're willing to receive it. Everybody makes mistakes. Wish we could take them back. Everything won't fall in place. Sometimes we'll go off track. There must be a reason why I still believe in the love I have for you. I won't run from how I feel. It's real. How could you fall for him? Give it all to him when you know that I love you, really love you, no one above you. How could you give your heart to be torn apart by him?
Let's shift over this right now.
Me no read that, me no read that, no. But I am still willing to give you all of me. My heart is yours if you're willing to receive it. Look me in my eyes, girl. Please find the strength. What you do to me, we go write it off. Call it a
Jump around, you know. Don't play yourself.
Don't say you're sorry. Please don't cry. Cause everything happened for a reason, girl. I just can't see the reason. How could you fall for him? Give it all to him when you know that I love you, really love you, no one above you. How could you give your heart to be torn apart by him? Me no read that, me no read that, me no read that, no. But I am still willing to give you all of me. My heart is yours if you're willing to receive it.
Easy.
Everybody makes mistakes. Wish we could take them back. Everything won't fall in place. Sometimes we'll go off track. There must be a reason why I still believe in the love I have for you. I won't run from how I feel. It's real. How could you fall for him? Give it all to him.
Put me in this first.
Know that I love you, really love you, no one above you. How could you give your heart to be torn apart by him? Me no read that, no, me no read that, no, me no read that, no,
Never give up. Carry on, people.
No weapon formed against me shall prosper. So I will carry on, carry on, carry on, carry on. You are brave, you are strong. With this knows it. Only God alone can understand the pain you bear. Facing your struggles, worries and troubles, feeling all alone like there's nobody there who cares. You are created to rise above, so just know nothing can hold you down.
People, carry on. Say, don't give up. Brave. You're strong. Don't give up. See that?
Many afflictions of a righteous man, but the Lord delivers him out of them all. We were not promised life without problems, but He will demolish every weapon that they form. You
know what time I inside this drama?
to shine your light,
To shine the light.
always follow that.
You shouldn't carry on. Teach them to you. See that?
You are brave, you are strong.
Brave. Strong. Can't stop, man. Can't stop them, can't stop them, can't stop the power. Can't stop it. You see, if we don't give up, people, if we don't keep trying, you'll be dying.
Hey, 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 pressure bust by. Yes, them. Yes, them. Frost gas them. Rastaman a blaze fire. Yeah, it a fi blaze fire.
Hey!
Money on the whole entire. We keep Babylon empire. Yeah, so the Rastaman blaze fire. We don't sleep like gaze higher. Money on the whole entire. Yeah, to Babylon empire. Hey, some chance, fire can't out and it never cease. From the foolish things that my indulge. Long as I got a pulse and the sunrise every morning means fire for fun. Loud the bag of talk, me no want hear none. Corrupted politician, me nah go spare none. Them supply the youth them with drugs and beer gun. It's like them want to see the black nation tear down. The best is yet to come. Man rise up from the slum. Victories for the poor. Look at how the table turn. Calling our rebellious daughters and sons. Cause Babylon for done. Rastaman a blaze fire. Yeah, it a fi blaze fire. Money on the whole entire. We keep Babylon empire. Yeah, so the Rastaman blaze fire. We not sleep like gaze higher. Money on the whole entire. Not Babylon empire. Nowadays, fire getting redder. Guide and protect like sister and brother. All of black people under one umbrella. Must have to complete the mission, man, and no failure. Politician can't beg me no favor. But the fire and me nah go sign waiver. Don't know man a lion forever. Me not take my side in a political party. I now sell out to Illuminati. Boots up in a fatigue and khaki. No for them no original, them a copy. Babylon slappy, Rastaman a blaze fire. Yeah, it a fi blaze fire. Money on the whole entire. We keep Babylon empire. Yeah, so the Rastaman blaze fire. We not sleep like gaze higher. Money on the whole entire. Not Babylon empire. Hey.
No, them dangerous run love it. The girls, them know them push and shove it. Just forget to know they're doing it.
Don't judge, I wanna you be judged yourself. So are you out the business judging someone else? Do you know what's coming at you? When retribution got you. Yeah. Don't judge, I wanna you be judged yourself. So are you out the business judging someone else? Don't you know what's coming at you? Are you frost? I want to them. Are you my judge?
Fire!
You keep hating and grudge.
Come on.
But anything rise against us, make me like fudge.
Make you like fudge.
Are you my jury?
You see when the people, wicked people, couldn't stop me. And have to clap me.
Spreading propaganda against us. From here to
Propaganda, them trying out.
I chewing out wear them slogans. Them can get type of program.
No.
Every step, every move, everything I say, yeah. I'm criticized by a moron.
Morons.
This is not about the Bible or the Quran.
Pie.
It's about the idle man who still a purlong.
Hey.
Yo, go tell the boss I'm the foreman.
Hey.
Yeah, and God protect me at a furlong. Are you my judge? You keep hating and grudge. But anything will rise against us, made me like fudge. Are you my jury? You lay your belly with fury.
Listen, brother, run.
Spreading propaganda.
Big up the Shakti production promotions.
What if I wanna smoke some herb?
Hey.
Bring the marijuana, make me calm enough.
Oh.
Them running off them out now.
Come on.
But the fire you can't out now.
Can't out this.
Okay then. I see you have a manifesto.
Hey.
And you got my life a stress
Come
out.
on.
But may the good Lord bless you.
Hey.
To hurt me, he won't let you. Are you my judge?
Are you my judge?
You keep hating and grudge.
Hating and grudge.
But anything will rise against us, make me like fudge.
Make you like fudge.
Are you my jury?
Are you my
When
jury?
you're ready with fury.
Hey.
Spreading propaganda against us, from here to Missouri.
From here to Missouri. What? Reggae music always revolutionized the minds of the people. From the heights of the steeple, get out the weaver, separate the bad from the good. You know that I am the man my name Randy. Big up to the one named Sunday. Yes, we had the girls them
We
candy.
them slogans.
Hey,
Them can get type of program.
boy.
Every step, every move, everything I say.
Come on.
I'm criticized by a moron.
Moron.
Are you my judge?
Are you my judge?
You keep hating and grudge.
Hating and grudge.
But anything will rise against us, make me like fudge.
Make you like fudge.
Are you my jury?
Are you my
Lay
jury?
your brother with fury.
Fury, baby.
Spreading propaganda against us, from here to Missouri.
Try. Big sound. Randy had the big sound. Jamaica Good Life had the big sound in town. Say hello to Mrs. Brown, because we're coming down Manchester, Jamaica. All over the world, big sound. Big
If you're out there somewhere feeling lonely, you're not the only one. You're not the only one. Yeah! Now welcome to the third world. How you mean? Tell them say age is a number, third world no study much. Richie Daly and me done. Age around the top of tops. Up to now no boy no play guitar. We're bad like Uncle Cat. Maurice save a papa son. Norris played for Super Cat. Oh, one band so full of talent like the list just never stops. One eruption beat like eagle and can sprint a dozen laps. Steve like an engineer. Drunk back a fee a buck. Give the legend them props. Real uptown rebels and put reggae on the map. More money, more problems. Not to say I would have swapped, but it's slowly at the top. Some will say them are your friend, but are you alone a spend? Yet still every man a shop. One of the US things for cop. Man a go on all a rems, cause you don't know the straps. Things sticky like sour sap. And one shepherd to a flock. See them hustle on the corner while they try to be a man, but it gets lonely on the block. And it's rough in the drop. And everybody need a hand to lift them up when them a drop. If you're out there, somewhere feeling lonely,
come on.
you're not the only one. You're not the only one. If you're out there, somewhere feeling lonely, you're not the only one. You're not the
only one. So come on inside and tell me how you feeling.
Alright, people, so now
Tell me all about
we finished protect one tree. That tree protected now. Take some work, but it's gonna worth it. No dog, no cat, no bat, no rat, no butterfly can fly up in that and go down. Hey, watch that. You see? Look how greenhouse for the tree them are important. You see me? We have to protect with trees them are the future. Vitamin C is a must. The Almighty we trust. No, come last, must come first. Don't miss the bus of Jamaica Good Life.
So if you're out there somewhere feeling lonely,
Next time I broadcast from the balcony.
only one,
So now, only a few people invited at the house now. So the balcony there. We're gonna cook out. And the real people them, man like General Terry, Iron Ore, Patricia Hippolyte. You see me? Any of the other people that want forward. The real people them, not the fake ones them. We don't want the fake ones them come back here. We could pick some pepper, like we know, so we are aware. Right here for the game. We don't want nobody fake, no liar. If you don't, no liar, big up, no fake. Only few people left in the camp. Gaza, Jason, yeah man. Fake and liars them. Big up to Janet X all the time. When them ready, them will forward. Cause heaven.
if you're out there somewhere feeling lonely,
Big up to Lisa Chin King. Definitely Lisa Chin King, you're welcome at the yard. Anytime. You never shift, you never waver. You're strong, woman.
you're not the only one. You're not the only one.
You don't want no tricky people around with.
Out there
Pepper time.
somewhere
The Almighty, give thanks for the girls of the night.
only one.
Please send me woman we don't fight me. Hey, hey. Can't fight no man, man, we're a big man, you know, we're a king. Can't fight no woman or fight Babylon. Wanna come back to the man. You lost your mind. Yeah.
Father God,
Big up to Susan Cutie.
your love has made me strong.
People that wanted to shoot
And for
me.
that,
But look
oh,
there,
yo.
Jamaica Good Life.
Lord of mercy.
Have mercy now.
Oh God, I'll never find the words to slow.
See there?
Tell you how
Jamaica Good Life, people. A God thing we deal with. We don't deal with vanity. Big up Lisa Chin King. Welcome to the house.
Explain, yeah, gracious Lord, you held my life within your hand, created everything I had, taught me how to live again. Only you
See there?
can win me.
Jamaica.
Friend,
See there?
making my promise. Oh, this song is for you. Filled with gratitude and love. Oh Lord, I thank you. You make me feel brand new. For blessing me, I adore you.
God bless me.
Almighty,
Big up to mommy.
I love you.
Blessings, people.
I sing
Upon
this
blessings.
song for you. Father God, I adore you.
See, I never know someone have faith and man as a believer.
My Lord,
Man have faith. See that?
whenever I was in secure
fine. Let's get some bird pepper. Jamaica Good Life, what am I for say? Eh? So me a show off.
Give my sense of pride back to me.
So if we don't sell Jamaica, we're going to sell it out.
Only you care when I needed a friend, making my promise. Oh, this song is for you, filled with gratitude and love. I thank you. You make me feel brand new.
For blessing me, I love you. Bird pepper time.
Almighty God,
I love you.
I sing this song.
Well, thank you for joining me at the party today. We could protect the tree. We promote Jamaica beauty. We don't care about the subscription and the views. We don't care about the news. We ignore everything and we live a life. We live life we have to live.
I really love it.
We don't have to give chance, eh?